We're here to share about our newly released collection, Sky Dancers.
You'll find an inspiration card. So in each Mani by Me subscription, you'll receive 2 exclusive nail plates. So we're gonna kick it off with MXM123.
I really like this dragonfly wing pattern.
It talks about like the real delicateness of butterfly and dragonfly wings. So that's really the feel that I get from these plates. So moving on to the next plate, we have MXM124.
So you want the manicure to have the same theme, but you don't want every single nail to look exactly the same. That is the reason why we gave you images that are similar but slightly different. So in this manicure, I'm using both of these patterns. It makes the nails look more interesting. It also makes it look more realistic to the thing that you're trying to achieve.
So the next thing, you get 2 early release polishes, and this month, we're gonna start with the beautiful Nectar, a peachy orange stamping polish and a classic cream finish. Perfect like spring color too. And the next one, you get a special effect polish. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous flaky. This is Metamorphosis P160, a purple tinted nail polish with purple gold iridescent flakies. So this month's special bonus are gonna be 2 full color nail sticker sheets. Isn't that so pretty? And each designs are outlined in a dainty gold accent. And if you're a first-time subscriber, save yourself $5 with the code SUB5 at www.manixme.com, and it'll be a fan favorite, definitely. Yeah. So I mean, it's probably something you don't want to miss.